How to see previous usernames on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your current username at the top. To find your old usernames, tap the three-line menu at the top right and select Your Activity. From here, scroll down and tap on Account History. This section shows a list of all changes made to your account, including username updates, bio changes, and more. If you only want to see username changes, if you have ever changed your Instagram username, you will see a list of all the usernames you've used since creating your account. If the username is still available, you may be able to change it back by going to your profile, tapping Edit Profile, and updating your username. Keep in mind that Instagram does not allow you to use a recently changed username immediately, as it may be temporarily reserved. If you want to reuse an old username, check back later to see if it becomes available. That's how to see previous usernames on Instagram.